am working on Dutch pours again today. This is one of several attempts, but I'm not giving up. It's really important to me to get this technique down pat. It's you get such lovely results when you finally get it. So I'm gonna keep on it until I can get this technique mastered. And I'm taking you along on the journey. So let's get started. I'm going to provide the colors in the description box the way that I have been. We've got 11 by 14 inch canvas. It's not a stretch canvas, it's just a regular canvas today. First time I've used one of those. But I thought, why not? I've got it, let's use it. We've got my little kitty cat wanting to be part of the party today. I told her she needed to be quiet, but she's not listening. So we're just going to let her talk, and I'm going to go about what we're doing. She'll be okay. Won't you? Yeah, you'll be all right. Okay. I want to put a little bit of white down, not as much. I think that's been a mess up. It's been part of my problem. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Not bad. I think I'm going to stop while I'm ahead. Let me get the camera down and show you a close-up. Okey-doke. I see some blending of some color in my white here. I will fix that. That's not a big deal. That's from where I scraped several times before, but that's an easy fix. But this is all looking really pretty. Really liking it. Got some nice cells, some nice blending of colors. So it's pretty, I'm pleased. So once I take that little piece out, it's going to be perfect. And that won't be hard to fix at all. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a good day now. See you soon. Bye.